Hi friend, this is Vijayshri and in today's Photoshop episode I am going to share some great techniques on how to create crack screen look in Photoshop CC. So let's get started. Here I have imported these two images. First is close-up image of face and second is crack mud image. For the most impact, pick a subject with light skin that will contrast well with dark cracks. Now drag this mud image on face image tab and release. Press Ctrl T to active free transform. Scale and rotate texture until it's cover all screen area in appealing way. And then press enter. Next we will use mask in order to merge mud cracker image into face. First select mud cracker image and go to the bottom of layer panel and click on mask icon over there. Make sure your foreground color is black. If not, simply press D keyboard shortcut key. Now select brush tool from left side panel. Make sure to select smooth brush for the best result. You can also experiment with brush size using left and right bracket key and deliberate strokes anywhere where the texture should contour the face, such as along the neck. Change the blend mode to multiple and watch as the lighting becomes more interesting. If the effect is too strong, reduce the layer opacity or set other blending mode for the layer which gives you best output. And deliberate strokes anywhere where the texture should contour the face, such as along the neck. Next, use color balance to adjust the overall mixture of colors in an image. To do this, click on transparent thumbnail of active layer. Go to the image, adjustment, select color balance. Here I am selecting these settings for the best color correction of crack image. Click OK. This is the final result. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you like this tutorial, do not forget to subscribe. Please share your experience, doubt in comment section below. Thank you.